few months ago I got airbrush kit and I haven't used it that much. I did only few tests and one of successful ones I think was this Lino from Thundercats. And the other day I released my new model. It's a Catwoman bust, so I decided that I'm gonna try to paint it. And I printed the whole figurine in this skin PLA, so I decided that I'm gonna mask everything except the face and paint it black and see how that thing will go. And I decided to print another version in NQB Photon so I can paint that one as well. And these are the results. So let's see how I did that.
Done.
I'm pretty happy with this result. Yes, there are a lot of ways how I can make it better. Once I learn how to make them better, I will do that, definitely. I need to learn how to properly shade my models and how to add more details to the face and all of that stuff. Hopefully that will happen soon. In the meantime, if you have any kind of suggestions, please write me in the comments below, or if you have any suggestions what kind of 3D tutorial, ZBrush tutorial I should do, or what kind of things I should sculpt, just write me in the comments. I really enjoy reading those. So yeah, that's it for today. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that and hit the bell next to it so you can get notified whenever I'm releasing a new video. And I really hope I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.